International Challenge for Future Mathematicians Team category, silver medallion. Individual category, bronze medallion. Singapore Asian Schools Math Olympiad, silver medallion. Festival of Talents Math Musical, division level, gold medallion. Regional level, gold medallion. National level, team competition, silver medallion. MPG Young Mathematicians In-House Training Qualifier Medallion. The PRISA Speech Part Champion Medallion. EMTA Math Challenge Division Level Team Oral Finals Silver Medallion. Super Quiz Bowl Silver Medallion. IMAS Science Certificate of High Distinction. IMAS Certificate of High Distinction. Australian Mathematics Competition Certificate of High Distinction. ICAS Math Certificate of Credit. ICAS English Certificate of Credit. International Mathematics and Science Olympiad Certificate. 2015 International Mathematical Olympiad Summer Training Program Certificate. Mathematical Challenge for Filipino Kids Certificate. EMTA Written Competition Second Honors Certificate and Academic Need Speech Part Champion Certificate. May I request the parents of these awardees to please come and confer the medallions.